What are you waiting for? Let fire settle the matter. Settle the matter. Yeah. Small. Power. Madam, go. He will call you again. Send me a text. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want.
I do so the day you gave a lady assignment. There's a lady you gave assignment. She testified 2 weeks ago. You asked her to test her husband that test. Then I was sitting down there. I tested him immediately that test, and he warned me the day I sent the test message. That
but after the handkerchief.
It's after the handkerchief that he started manifesting.
He started manifesting. May your husband start to manifest. Shakara. As small as this, your small body like this. Oh, Rehoboth anointing. Go, the quarrel is over. Bring a toy car. That car will get to your hand. Small. Clap for Jesus. Power. Hold on. So what happened to your brother? The man called him back.
The man called him.
After the prophecy.
After the prophecy.
And then forgive him.
He doesn't know what.
Call the pastor to pray for him. And then promise him. Give him money. And promise him to take him to America.
To America. The man has gone to America now.
He's gone back to the
Yes, he's gone back. Even my sister was annoyed yesterday as I told him. I said, guess what? See what my brother told me. He said, no. He said, that man must die. I said, no, your husband's sister must die. But I don't want to cry in my family.
So they should settle.
Yes.
But the settlement must involve restoration.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone that return what belong to you will settle the quarrel. If you don't give me back my chain, then we power.
Since that day, things start to change.
Since that day, small is real.
I said he's coming to Abuja. I said okay. He said he want to see you. I said okay. That January after Christmas he should come. We'll come and
clap for Jesus. Anoint yourself.